Hello, my friends all over the world. Welcome again to African Proverbs, their interpretations and moral lesson. I am Padairo, and through these channels I'll be giving you daily dose of Proverbs. So all you need to do is to like, share, and subscribe so that you can be getting your daily notification. Today's proverb is from Togo. Togo is part of West African country. And the proverb says, the rain fell on leopard, but does not wash the spot. What does this mean? It simply means that the real character of a person cannot be changed no matter how hard you try. And the moral lesson simply says that true changes come from the within, no matter the external factors, no matter how hard you try. Thank you for listening. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.